Evolution of psychology. Evolution means cumulative changes in a population or species through time. The first experimental laboratory was established in Leipzig in 1879 by Wilhelm Wundt. He was interested in the study of conscious experience. Conscious means awareness and wanted to analyze the constituent and building block of mind. Wundt analyzed the structure of the mind through introspection and therefore were called structuralists. Introspection was given by Wilhelm Wundt. It is the procedure in which an individual or subject were asked to describe in details their mental process and experience. Mental process. Mental process refers to an individual or subject who describe their mental process, such as knowing, perceiving, thinking, understanding, learning, problem solving, etc. Experience refers to an event that is actually lived through as opposed to one that is imagined or thought about. It includes imagination, perception, bodily awareness, etc. Functionalist, given by William James, who established psychological laboratory in Cambridge after the Leipzig and was called functionalist. It is study of the human mind, and William James believed that instead of focusing on the structure of mind, psychology should instead study what the mind does and how behavior functions in making people deal with their environment. For example, the government provides education for the children of the family, which in turn pay taxes on which state depends to keep itself running. Gestalt psychology, given by Wundt. Gestalt means organized as a whole than that of its parts. For example, when we see cycle, first we see as a whole cycle, then its parts such as two tires, handle, seat, etc. It focused on organization of perceptual experience, means become aware of something through the sense. Experience is holistic, means whole. It is gestalt. Now, the behaviorism. Behaviorism refers to the learning based on the idea that all behavior are required through conditioning. It is given by John Watson. He was greatly influenced by Ivan Pavlov and classical conditioning. According to him, psychology must focus on what is observable and verifiable. He defines psychology as the study of behavior or response to stimuli which can be measured of study objective. Sigmund Freud. The radical view of human nature was Sigmund Freud. He viewed human behavior as a dynamic manifestation, unconscious desire or and conflicts. He founded psychoanalysis as a system to understand and cure core psychological disorder. He viewed human beings as motivated by unconscious desire for gratification of pleasure seeking and often sexual desires. Second is humanistic perspectives refers to the way of evaluating an individual as a whole rather than looking at them only through a smaller aspect of their person. It is given by Carl Roger and Abraham Maslow. They emphasized that the free will of human beings and their natural striving to grow and unfold their inner potential.